Now, urgent searches continue in the Caribbean this morning. This is in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Dozens are reported dead between Jamaica, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. CBS's Jared Hill has the latest.
It's a long road to recovery in Jamaica, 3 days after Hurricane Melissa slammed the island as one of the strongest Atlantic storms on record.
Roof has gone, clothes has wet up, and all those stuff. I need some help, please.
Sweeping scenes of destruction on the road to the tourist town of Montego Bay. With gas on short supply, cars lined the streets looking for somewhere to fill up. Nearly 500,000 people in Jamaica are still without power.
I think the entire Jamaica is really broken because of what has happened.
As local authorities get to work, Caribbeans in the U.S. are coordinating aid deliveries. At the Global Empowerment Mission in Miami, Shauna Ford is one of dozens of volunteers packing survival supplies.
It was just really nerve-wracking for me to see that happening to the island that I know and love.
In Cuba, the storm rocked the historic town of El Cobre. Over 700,000 people were evacuated across the island. Secretary of State Marco Rubio Thursday said the U.S. is prepared to provide immediate humanitarian assistance, this despite 6 decades of economic sanctions. In Haiti, Melissa unleashed catastrophic flooding. At least 30 are reported dead. Back in Jamaica, some airports are still closed. These sisters from Tennessee are paying for an extended stay while they search for a flight home.
The ultimate blessing is being alive, so we just kind of making the best of our time here.
Meanwhile, search and rescue teams continue to scour the island for the missing. Jared Hill, CBS News.